Hey guys, this is Keith, your friend in the mortgage business, and today's video is going to be about how to get pre-approved in less than 3 minutes video. So I'm going to give you a high level 30,000 aerial. This is how a consultation should look like. Schedule time with somebody like myself. When we show up on the appointment, what I'm going to do is I'm going to unpack how I work, what I do, the services that I provide. Then what we're going to do is I'm going to ask permission if you'd like to put together a mortgage application. Now, a mortgage application is a snapshot of you in time financially, income, assets, and then credit. What we do first with the application is unpack everything about you on your income and assets, where you've lived for the last 2 years, where you've worked for the last 2 years, your assets, where they're located, bank accounts, bank statements, what do you have for assets in your checking, savings, money market, crypto, any of those things. Then what we're going to do once that's completed is I'm going to ask permission to pull your credit. Now, pulling your credit is an exercise we need to do to find out exactly where you're at to be able to get you pre-approved. Once the credit's pulled, it's going to identify 3 credit scores from TransUnion, Experian, and Equifax. That's going to let us know what's available for programs for you, what direction we should be leaning towards based on your whole profile, right? Because it's not one mortgage fits all. Once we do that, I'm going to send you a text. I'm going to say, okay, Mr. and Mrs. Smith, I'm going to send you a text based on your application of what we just discussed and went through, and I'm going to ask you for certain things that you're going to send back over to me and my team so we can review. So you gave me the information on the application. I'm going to validate that by the documentation you're going to send over. Once you get that documentation sent over to us, what we're going to do is we're going to issue you a pre-approval letter stating, hey, based on what you told me, based on what you provided me, we can move forward with pre-approving you. Now, the next step would be this, is if we send you into underwriting to get a loan commitment. So basically, we don't have a home identified, but we're going to get a TBD, to be determined, loan commitment, where the underwriter reviews your package in full for income, assets, and credit and says, okay, Mr. and Mrs. Smith, based on what we see, you qualify for up to this based on this loan program. Here is a loan commitment where you can give to your realtor and go start shopping for a home. So the difference between the pre-approval letter is the underwriter hasn't reviewed it. The one with the loan commitment, the underwriter has reviewed it. I recommend the loan commitment. So listen, if you're looking to get pre-approved and you want to go the next step to get a loan commitment so you can start shopping for a home and know that you can do it, I want you to call or text 603-759-8401, 603-759-8401, and say pre-approval. This is Keith. Until next time, thanks.